Well, Taylor was briefly involved in the showdown between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni before her subpoena was withdrawn. And today came the first major steps of the case as Blake sits for an all-day deposition where she's questioned under oath by Baldoni's attorneys about her claims of sexual harassment and retaliation. And while the deposition takes place behind closed doors, we can reveal what's at stake.
What's your name?
Lily. You?
Ryle.
When it comes to these types of cases where there are emotional distress damages, the defense can probe into many areas of Blake Lively's life, including her relationships with her husband, with her friends, business relationships, her medical treatment, or anything else relating to her mental state. That is all fair game.
According to TMZ, Baldoni was in the room for the deposition today, which legal analyst Misty Marris says could work to his advantage.
As a party, Baldoni has the right to sit through any depositions in this case, including Blake Lively's. There's a little bit of strategy to having the defendant at the deposition. When that person is actually sitting in the room, it becomes much harder to twist the truth or to fabricate because you're eye to eye with the person that you're speaking about.
Especially since the two have not been seen near each other in quite some time, including at the premiere when Justin claims he was banished to the basement.
So to think of them sitting across a table during a deposition, that could certainly be very intimidating and anxiety-causing for Blake Lively. We know Justin Baldoni published over 160 pages of a timeline, text messages, emails that they say are relevant to the case. She was likely confronted with all of that. In addition, there were hours and hours of video footage that she was likely shown during the deposition and asked to explain where the sexual harassment occurred. Blake Lively was likely put through the ringer in preparation of this deposition.